Alright, hey, what's going on, guys? Epic here. Today I'm going to be solving the last layer of the Rubik's Cube. The latest video I did was the middle or the second layer, and the previous one, after or before that one, was solving the first layer. Sorry guys, I was just getting a drink of water. So, what you guys need to know first about the last layer is the 4 patterns. So you can either get a dot, an L, or a line. I have the line, or the cross, of course. Oh, sorry about that. And yeah, so if you get the dot, you hold it whichever way you want. If you get the L, you would hold it like, so the L would be right up here, so it would be in the top left. And the line, it would be like this. And then the cross, you wouldn't have to do anything because you already have it. So what you gotta do is F clockwise, R, or right clockwise, then up clockwise, R right counterclockwise, up counterclockwise, and then front counterclockwise. Now I have the yellow cross. So I have all the colors. So if you guys do not have 2 or 4 colors already, you'll always have 2. So if they're next to each other, you put them in the back, right here and right here, and then you would and then if you get them across from each other, you would hold them whichever way you want. And then you do the push method. So you go up, push, down, push, up, double push, down, and then push. And see, it pushes all of them. So I have 2 now. So I put them in the back right. So I go up, push, down, push, up, double push, down, push. Now they're all solved. Now I gotta find at least 1 of the corners solved. If you don't have any, you just do them on any corner. So you go dodge left up, dodge right up, dodge left down, dodge right down. Sorry guys, sorry about that. And now it should move them. See, I got one right here. Right here. So you go, so you do it on this one. So you go dodge left up, dodge right up, dodge left down, dodge right down. Right now it's in the right corner, or they're all in the right corner. So you could do this on whichever one you want. This is called the I actually don't know what it's called, but it's just an algorithm. So you go down. 1 second, higher it. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. And now yellow's on top. Whoops, sorry about that, guys. My phone just fell. Alright, now let it go again. Okay. Now I gotta do it to the other one. So you flip the top and you go down, lift, up, right. Down, lift, up, right. And now yellow's on top. So you flip it, down, lift, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, lift, up, right. Down, left, up, right. And now one last corner. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. And now I solved it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Drop a like, subscribe, hit that little bell icon, and hopefully you guys found this helpful. Hopefully you solve your Rubik's Cube. To me, before it was like super hard, but now it's not very hard. All you guys have to do is practice, you guys. So I will maybe make a video tomorrow, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.